Hi, I'm Say Jasler, and I'm here at the Outdoor Retailer 2019. One of the great things about the Outdoor Retailer is you can find different gadgets that help make the outdoors more enjoyable, and so you can share it with your friends and family on Instagram and also so camera products. One of the products that I came across is the Osmo Pocket.
So the Osmo Pocket is actually really great, primarily used for outdoors, whether you're going for a walk, you're going for a hike. A lot of people use it for vlogging and vlogging as well, especially if you're traveling and things like that. It's really great. As you can see, it's really portable. You have an LED monitor here, which you can use to reference your video. The really cool thing that I love about it comes with the DJI app. So all you have to do is connect your phone to it. The app will pop up, and now you can see everything that the camera sees. So you can use this as your monitor as well. It is a little bit bigger, but you do get more clarity in your video when you're recording. So really cool for referencing. It's still pretty discreet, still pretty small, and you can do 4K at 60 frames per second, and you can do 12 megapixel still. So you can do pictures and videos. The app is really cool. You can do all the intelligent modes like slow motion, panorama, time lapse, things like that. So it's really neat.
I know that a lot of teenagers my age and older like to take selfies.
Yeah.
So if they were using their phone, would they have to flip their phone around?
No, so the camera would actually churn here. There's actually a mode called selfie mode where the camera will automatically churn and it'll face you. So you can just do your selfie, do your video while you're walking.
You can see yourself in the camera?
Exactly. You'll be able to see yourself right there. So everything that you're doing is right there at your fingertips.
All right. So if you're running, how stable would the picture be?
Oh, this is extremely stable. The cool thing is that you get the camera and you get a built-in gimbal. So all your footage is stabilized. As you can see here, I'm going kind of crazy with my hand, and you can see that all the footage, if you were taking a picture, would be stabilized as well. So you could literally run through this arena and all your footage would be stabilized.
For what ages would the Osmo Pocket kind of appeal to?
All of DJI's products really range. The target market is really 18 to about 45 is what they really market. But the cool thing is that the product's so versatile that there's tons of applications. So, the first thing that comes to mind is pictures and videos and selfies and things like that. But, some people buy these just to, just for keepsakes. They're recording pictures of their kids, things like that. So it's not necessarily one market. It's not necessarily only one market that it's marketed to, if that makes sense.
How complicated is it for a teen or tween to use this and utilize it?
You take it out of the box, you'll be going in less than 10 minutes. Really, you go through an activation process, hook it up to your phone, make sure you're connected, and other than that, it's extremely easy. If I wanted to, all you have to do is hit record, and you're all set. So it's extremely easy. There are tons of mounts and accessories from DJI and third parties as well. You can mount it on your head. There's actually a mount for dogs, so you can mount it on their back. You could tilt the gimbal and it'd follow them similar to what an action camera would. So it's really neat. It's not waterproof like this, but there is a waterproof case from DJI, so that's really neat as well. So that's the biggest benefit, the biggest differentiator. This has a built-in stabilization, and this is actually a physical gimbal that stabilizes the video. That's really the biggest difference between these two. They're the same price point, it's just different technology.